integrity pledge, aspirants promise that you will participate in these elections in a way that aims to serve the people. This is a promise to put the needs of and interest of the people at the center of every decision you make. It means running a campaign that is not about personal gain, but about the collective welfare of Baguio residents, ensuring that each decision benefits our families, our communities, and our future.
All of you have the same goal of rendering public service and trying to make our city a better place. Always follow election laws, rules and regulations. Alam niyo po, matatalino po ang botante ng Baguio. Alam nila kung sino ang hindi marunong sumunod sa batas. Tandaan natin, ang botante po ay hindi boboto ng kandidatong alam nila na hindi marunong sumunod sa patakaran.
Magkakaiba man tayo ng paniniwala, partido o adhikain, tinahat natin ang iisang landas. Isang ating hakbang, isang ating direksyon, at isa ang ating layunin. Ang mahalaga ay hindi kung sino ang nauna, kundi kung paano natin may sisigurong lahat tayo ay ligtas at marangal na makakarating sa ating patutunguhan. At tulad ng ating paglalakad, ang ating electoral journey ay hindi isang karera ng kompetisyon, kundi isang paglalakbay ng pagkakaisa tungo sa isang mapayapa, maayos at patas na halalan. Today we are not just signing a covenant, we are making commitment. A commitment that goes beyond words. A commitment to conduct ourselves with honesty, integrity, and respect. A commitment that will guide us not just today, but until the last ballot is counted and beyond. Alam nating hindi madali ang proseso ng eleksyon. May hamon, may tukso, may pagsubok. Ngunit kung ang paglalakad natin kanina ay nairaos na sama-sama, tiwala akong kaya nating gawing hanggang sa dulo. Walang maiiwan, walang mapag-iiwanan, lahat tayo kasama sa pag-abot sa isang mapayapa at makabuluhang eleksyon.